is the rig we're going to take down, huh? Yeah. Oh, look at that, folks. This is like the movement rig.
Yep. So that's what Hawaii is about.
Awesome.
They're all crooks.
They got no respect.
Yeah, no more respect.
The Kauai County prosecutor did not send any information about the civil forfeiture. Only the prosecuting attorney can initiate an administrative forfeiture of the property. So they have no authority. The Attorney General has no authority. Kolar, on 22nd of February, in the Kauai soapbox on KKCR, which is the public radio station here, made a statement that DLNR will return the evidence to us. He said he probably didn't see Mr. Oga's letter. He also claimed on the radio that it was removed by the authorities because it had a statement that Hawaii is not part of the United States, which is not true because we said Hawaii is not America and it never will be. But you see, here it's coming very interesting because the citation was not issued for this reason because it would have been the violation of freedom of speech. It was issued for not removing private property from a public land.
Right, okay.
Anyway, so that's where we are now. So we decided we are coming in person to Mr. Mikasa's office, the DLNR office. Go ahead.
And I represent the lawful Hawaiian government.
Yeah. Actually,
Hey, at least it's not locked. It's locked. All right.
wait until they come down. Okay. Hello. Okay, we are here from the Lawful Hawaiian government. These are all our Kanakas and the reporters. We are here for the return of our confiscated sign.
Hey, what's up?
How are you?
Hi, aloha, Francis.
What's up, Timmy? How can I help you?
We came for the signs that were taken from the Hanapepe lookout for return because Kola, the prosecutor, said it is DLNR who will return it to us.
Do you have a release form?
No, I don't have anything. He said it on the public radio. It is public record.
The protocol is before we return any evidence, you need to show us a prosecutor's release form.
Okay, we go to the prosecutor's office
Justin.
right now.
Oh, I think his deputy is in charge. One of his deputies.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't
See
matter.
Justin. That's how it
Okay,
goes.
we go over. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Collar, that DLNR will release it. We came from DLNR and they said we need to bring the release from him.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you guys have any proof that you own a sign, any documentation in writing for a person who owns the sign?
This is a letter that was sent to Mr. Collar. And then he knows about this because he made a statement on the radio too.
So we can come get our signs.
What you need the paper, the sign.
We just need a written statement saying who the sign is owned by.
This is to state and certify on the penalty of perjury that I am the noble of the Lawful Hawaiian government and the signs confiscated by DLNR Docare from the Hanapepe lookout are the property of the Lawful Hawaiian government placed into my custody. And in the name of my government, I request the immediate return of the aforesaid signs without delay. Timothy Oga, sign.
I was somewhat familiar, only a little bit familiar with this case. So What our office has done is sign a release for the sign to DLNR.
Yes.
Okay, so it's in their evidence.
They sent it back, sent us back here.
Yeah, but they didn't have it. So I will give to whoever wants to be the bearer that has been emailed to Bully. Okay. And also a hard copy has been sent. But all that's where we stand on it.
Thank you, Mr. Davenport. You are the Mr. Davenport.
I'm John Burgess.
Mr. Burgess.
Mr. Davenport was not at his office. He's tied up probably in court.
Okay.
All right.
So
okay,
take this back over there, they'll give us the sign?
Yes.
I don't know if they will or
that's good
This
enough.
is your copy, so you guys could have a copy and you could see.
Okay. Supposedly it's what they need to release.
Yes.
Yeah, because otherwise, and the same with the police department. If it was the police departments, it would be the same thing. We send those downstairs when cases adjudicated.
Awesome.
So, all right.
Okay.
Thank
You guys have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Timothy Oga. I represent the Lawful Hawaiian government.
You're gonna call them for make an appointment, is that right?
Right.
And then hopefully get them back.
All right, Friday, March 18th, we made it into the paper. Lawful Hawaiian government fights for signs. After losing court battles, DLNR has not released the evidence. And so the article goes on and talks about here, Samu and Oga had been entangled in an environmental court case against DLNR in recent months regarding 2 signs that had been removed by DLNR from private property at the Hanapepe Lookout on February 11th, 2015. They were cited illegally, and after having one case dismissed without prejudice against Oga, Samu was found not guilty after a bench trial December 17th. Mikasa was not available, but DLNR Kauai Branch Chief Francis Mission told the small group of 5 they needed to head to the prosecutor's office and get a release form and come back to DLNR office and speak to him. Special Investigator John Burgess gave the Lawful Hawaiian group the document the group needed to show Mission. But when they returned to DLNR, Mission had already left. The receptionist told the group he would not be available until later in the week. And until they were able to secure an appointment with him, they would not be able to get their signs back. On Thursday, Mission could not be reached for comment, and the group had not been able to secure an appointment. The group said they had sent several letters prior to DLNR office Tuesday with no response from Mission. Still, Samu and Oga said they will be diplomatic and follow all necessary steps until they're able to get what belongs to them. Friday, 25th, 2016, and we made it to the front page. Battle heats up over sovereignty group signs.
So we're here on March 24th.
Yes.
We're back. And I was wondering if you could tell us, like, what happened? How come we have to be back?
Well, there was a reason. We could not reach the enforcement chief, Mr. Mission. We left several messages, and he did not return the call. And after our noble, Timi Oga, called the office and told very firmly that at least we expect someone to call us back. And then
so no one called you back at all?
Yes, on Friday last week, Mr. Mission called him back, and he said if he showed up with a statement and with a statement that you owe the signs, then we may consider releasing it. So at this point, he has the statement from our government, and that the government owes the sign, and he is in custody of it, and we are demanding the return. We also researched that according to the Hawaiian revised statutes, given the section numbers in the letter, it was illegal to forfeit and seize the signs because they don't fall into the category which can be taken away or seized. So at this point, we have a second option if they still refuse to release the sign. We'll see what happens now in the office.
Right. So just my final question here though is, so you said that Mr. Francis got back to you guys on Friday?
Francis Mission, yes.
Francis Mission. When did you start contacting him?
As soon as we left from here.
Which was?
Last Tuesday, I think. Yes.
Last Tuesday. So you called him that
Several
night,
times.
and you called him Wednesday. You called him Thursday, and then he did get back to you on Friday.
After 4 days, yeah.
After 4 days. How many phone calls?
Shit. Well, I got a call, I don't remember.
Like, I mean, but plenty?
Well, plenty, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's check out to see what happens today then, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you guys.
Ladies first. You're not lady. Sorry, Keali.
And we're back again.
Yeah, they're actually not here.
The exact same group.
They're not here. So they're
Nobody's
not in. Bully Mission or Lionel's not in today.
Is the secretary there?
No.
No.
I just came from there. They're not in.
Well, we want to get a video, so we're going to go in.
Let's go right by the door.
Huh?
Just gotta go right by the door, take a picture. No. We're done. You guys did that outside.
We cannot do it in
We're
front.
allowed to go in the office. It's our right.
No.
Not in the hallway.
They're not there, so I mean, what are you gonna do? Take a picture of the door?
Right.
No,
Yes,
you're outside. It's a documentary we're making. We'd like to have the
You already did
secretary
that
tell us that they're not
You
around.
already did that outside of the building.
To the doorway, the DLN or sign there.
Yeah.
That's all. We are not staying.
We have a right to be in this building.
To conduct business.
Yes, that's our intention.
But they're not here, so you're not conducting business. So
We are conducting business.
Can we just take a picture that the office is closed?
you can just take a picture of the building, which you already did.
Oh, no, just to
No,
show
we did
the
not.
office is closed.
But you can go back outside and take the picture.
We want to get a picture of the door.
No.
Sorry, no. Sorry,
Okay.
No.
You know what?
Now what I'm going to do
This
is I'm going to go get
outright.
I'm going to go get some game wardens, and then you're going to be asked to leave.
It's our right to walk these hallways. It's a state building. We're part of the state, and we'd like to just get a picture of the door.
And they said no.
Who's they? I mean, I'm putting this on YouTube. You know.
Go ahead.
You know, I mean, you're not allowing us to get a picture
No,
of the
because
door.
you have to be here to conduct business.
I can be in this building. I can walk around the other way and get a picture of the door. If you're not, you know, if you're gonna let me come through this way, I'll go the other way.
That's all right. You just go up, right?
You can't just. I mean, you have no right to block me right now. I'm doing nothing illegal by walking.
I didn't say
in this
you are,
building.
but you have to be here to conduct business. You can't just be in here. You're loitering.
Well, okay. You know what? I'm here to conduct business.
No, they're not. No.
But we.
Yes, there's some of the main ones that you want to see aren't even in today, and then the other ones just left. Didn't you just see the other don't care officer, the girl? She just left. They're not in. They're not in. I have no idea. I don't know their schedule. They're not there. While you guys were doing that outside, I went up to over there, asked if Bully or Lionel's in. I was told no. Now the people that informed me, they left.
Shot of the door.
Because you don't need it. That's why.
Wait.
What do you mean? But that's your. Wait a minute.
But let her talk. Let her talk.
They're not there. They've left.
I'm just trying to find out what time they're going to.
I have no idea. They didn't tell me.
All right, we want to
That's
go
why
and
we
talk
were
to the
wondering if-
secretary,
No, you
not
don't need to.
I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk.
I don't want to talk to you. So leave.
I want to go talk to the secretary.
No, they're not there. They left. After they told me that Bully and Lionel isn't there, they left.
Can I get your name?
No, you don't need my name.
Yes,
Let's go.
I need your.
No.
Let's get his ID.
No, you can leave the building now, or I can call KPD and they can help you leave.
If you want to do that, you can. But
No, if you want me to, I will.
I'm allowed to be here.
No, you're not. You have to be conducting business, just like the whole. No, you're not. They're not here.
I am going to. But you see, like the fact
Look.
you tell me that they're not
Look,
there.
Mr.
I don't believe you. I don't believe.
I don't care what you believe.
I'm allowed to go to the door.
No,
This
you're
is
not.
public.
No, you're loitering.
I'm allowed to go to the door.
You don't need to.
You look. You.
What are you going to go to the door for? They're not there.
Because I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe
He said I
you.
could drop the paper off.
Yes, he said.
Michelle.
This is ridiculous.
Coming down. Let's just go drop the paper so there is
No cameras.
yeah, okay.
No cameras.
Okay,
She
no
just
camera,
said.
no camera. Okay.
But I have a right to have
Let's
a
go
camera.
drop the paper, yeah? Yep. No, that way you can.
camera, sir. Oh, you guys are here. He said you guys weren't here. So he was
Maybe
alive.
they came back.
They just came back. Yeah, right.
Who came back? Who came back?
No.
No, there's only
He
me.
wouldn't have let me come to your door. That's illegal.
She just said no cameras, and
I
you're
just
still.
said no
doesn't matter.
Huh.
I'm allowed. She has
No,
no right to tell me.
this is
how to
private
talk.
property.
Public.
Government, federal property. If
And
we
guess
said
what?
no
Guess what?
cameras,
I
then
pay
no
taxes.
cameras. Me too.
And so this is our
I pay
building.
taxes. I pay taxes
I get to be here
too.
with the camera.
No, you don't. If we told you no, then turn it off.
Okay, I will not.
Then I'm not moving.
Okay, because that is not my office, but I will take the one address for you.
Yes, it is. State, federal building.
Where is Marvin's office then?
Marvin is next door.
Next door.
Right there? Oh, okay, okay.
We go there and then we.
Putting all this on.
Oh, okay.
You got your original.
Yeah, I got my original.
Or you want me to make a copy?
Yeah,
And my great grandparents are pure Hawaiian too.
You know, I
Good.
understand,
Good.
but I just don't like.
yeah, I know, I know.
Please.
That's not the point.
Sure it is.
Very interesting that the guy was lying to us, because they were here the whole time.
Was it lying?
They
They left after I walked down the hallway.
2 minutes, and
After
then-
I went
and
down
then
the
we come
hallway,
in.
I don't know if they came back in. I was down there with you.
Your ship doesn't hold water.
Whatever, dude.
And let them sign
You're nobody.
Just what they received.
I'm not going to stand down when they tell me I can't record. I know my laws. I know my rights. You're brave. I would have said
The same thing. They just need
The
a.
problems. I just don't understand. Why would it be in the government's interest to try to stop
So
us?
do you think I'm allowed to videotape in the public?
Oh, absolutely. It's a public building, like you said. You have a right to walk the halls. You're not causing any
I'm not
violence,
causing any problem. He was causing obstruction of the public.
right?
Mr. Marvin Mikasa.
Yeah, but we don't have your signs. It's not under our division.
Well, you will communicate with your own division. It's your
Not
division.
my division.
Well, whose division is it?
Don't care. Next door.
They say they don't. It doesn't belong to them because they don't deal with Mr. Mikasa.
But I'm Mr. Mikasa, but I have nothing to do with your signs.
Oh, I understand it, but it is addressed to you because you are the land manager.
Yeah, the manager, yeah.
You manage the land, so what am I going to sign for this? Because
That
I
you
don't have
received
your
it,
sign.
that's all.
That you received the letter?
Please, that you received it. You don't have to do anything. You can respond if you want that it is not your division. It's up to you, but this is just serving a notice. Because otherwise you would have to send it by certified mail. And that would be just an equal proof.
So only sign one.
Yeah, anyone.
Just one.
Yeah.
This is one what you sign because that's the you
Did you
see,
copy this one?
Here's my copy.
that's your copy, and this is just right received. That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Then I can put comments.
You can put
Yeah, whatever you like.
That's
Okay.
Whatever you
anything
like.
you wish.
Because my son
Sorry.
wants one education sign, not like screw or whatever. I just want education thing.
Okay.
But, try to educate and people try taking them down. Kind of shame, yeah.
I've never experienced anything like that. Have you?
What's that?
Have you ever experienced anything like that?
I've been told to turn off my recorder. I've been told to get out of the building.
But not now.
But not like pushing me out and lying to me like that. That was
Yeah.
complete
Yeah, no, but you can put that.
fabrication.
Yeah, we put their lines,
Crazy.
No more freedom of speech.
That's crazy.
No. This is selective freedom of speech.
Yeah.
Good idea that you called.
Oh yeah.
Because it just blew, everything got blown.
Who did you call?
Uh-huh.
The office?
Because I called yesterday.
I just want to say that,
I called yesterday. I told Bully, you answer your phone because, all this stuff is all BS. You guys been throw the first punch.
Thank you, Mr. Mikasa. Happy Easter.
Okay, you have a good one.
Okay.
Happy Easter.
So you guys, the only thing that I would like to say is that, like, from observing because I got involved last week, but you guys have been doing this for a long time. I'm getting it feeling that that they're really obstructing you guys. And really this whole thing was to just, we drove all the gas money to get down here, and then they're going to be like, no one's around.
Yeah, then
not one person's around, and then 60 seconds later, they're sitting there.
Nobody's in the office.
And I'm just astounded.
Nobody's in the office.
Nobody's in the office.
I'm astounded at the arrogance of the guy who blocked us. He's so arrogant, and he even said to you, "You're nobody."
Well, but also
that's what he said.
Let's go. Don't disturb them.
Also, they sent him out though too. See, the thing is, it's not just the guy; it's the people in the office who empowered him. And there they are.
I just can't believe it.
And then, I leave that to be bully, even after, it's a sad part,
That was an eye-opener.
Oh, yeah. No, but we got them all documented, so.
But I never see it firsthand like
You
that.
know what? I'm glad it happened this way.
Yeah, and I'm glad you were here.
I'm just shocked.
You can have it.
Arrogance.
What kind of supporters we have here? Law enforcement. It's a big leper, that guy. You're full of baloney, man. Hey, get stand up for a right. We Hawaiian, we born in here. Go ahead.
That was just interesting, eye-opening for me. I didn't expect
That was a good one, though.
I thought it was going to be a smooth sailing day. It was not.
Of course, the whole thing with him yelling and screaming.
Of course. What is it?
Okay.
Hey, now we just make a big thing out of them, Oh yeah. Make a YouTube right there.
And YouTube now, but also community access television for the whole community.
Oh yeah. Jay will allow it, right?
What?
Jay. He will allow that.
Oh, he'll love it, huh?
Yes. That will be good for Hawaii. Now it is moving forward.
Oh man.
So
the next step. That was interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I felt kind of like insulted, because he said
right.
100% Hawaiian.
Right. Yeah, that wasn't cool. Yeah, that was uncool.
They're not in.
Nobody's
in.
Home.
And then after I called, and then they just came back.
I asked to walk to the door, get a picture of the door.
I know that because you would have heard immediately that they are talking inside. That's why he didn't want you to.
Ridiculous.
Because I'd be able to see him. Noble Oga.
Yeah.
So if I post this, you stand behind me.
Oh yeah, all the way, 100%.
Because I don't want this.
Yeah. No. No, we just doing it the legal way.
Yeah.
So how they want to put it, it's all legal. We get all documented, and
No, that will be yours actually. No, at first it comes to me, and I will make the copy at home.
All right, we finally got the letter. All we came by today, I didn't understand. All we're doing was dropping off a letter.
Yeah,
that's all we were doing.
And they wouldn't let us do it.
And they wouldn't let us drop off a letter at first.
And they didn't want us to enter the building.
Or the second floor.
Yes.
It was going to be a completely peaceful
Exactly.
day, and they wouldn't let us do it. Amazing.
So literally, we're here just to drop off a document.
Yes, not even needing to talk to anyone or anything. Just drop off a document and have you film us dropping off the document to the office, and it was made into this big deal.
We should go.
And people say we don't need to talk to him. We want to drop off his. We are serving a notice. Okay, let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you read it out loud?
This is a district communication to DLNR Land Division, the Department of the Attorney General in Honolulu, and Office of the Prosecuting Attorney, addressed Aloha Marvin Mikasa, Gary K. Senga, and Justin F. Collar. Do not fit the covered offenses that would require forfeiture of the lawful Hawaiian government property. The prosecuting attorney's office ordered DLNR to release the subject signs under a letter to DLNR dated March 15, 2016, evidence release, which clearly indicates that this office will not be initiating an administrative forfeiture of the property.
I'm requesting the immediate release of said property as a noble of the Lawful Hawaiian government. If the property is not released from the chain of custody into my custody, I shall be seeking restitution from the courts of $5,000 per sign, plus any punitive damages that the courts may see fit to provide as a remedy. Mahalo a me aloha. Timothy Oga, Noble District 1, Kauai.
Thank you. Awesome. All right. That's the letter. And then we got a signed, we got the signed version that, that he received.
Then he stated that,
and there it is that he received
the sign is not under the jurisdiction of the DLNR land division.
But the prosecutor's office gave you a letter saying they should release the property, right?
So where's the sign?
You already talked to Mission once, right? And I think it would be very interesting to ask him who reported, who objected to the signs for removal. Because that's a secret. We already found out. Okay, let's go to the prosecutor's office.
This is what you've been up against all along.
Yeah, that's
every step of the way.
All the way.
They're trying to make it difficult, huh?
Yeah. All they like is our sign back, our educational sign, you know.
Yeah. Even just dropping off a letter, they make a big deal.
Oh yeah.
So you think DLNR sent the guy?
Yeah, to get us out of there. Yeah, to get us out of there.
Man, what a poor guy to be put in the middle.
But too bad we went anyway, whether they like it or not.
Yeah. I'm going to the prosecutor's office now.
That's what I'm adamant about that.
Because you asked him why were you making it so difficult?
Yeah, I said that.
And then he said they just weren't supposed to be there.
Yeah.
They weren't supposed to be there. But we weren't protecting you. Wow, this is so much nicer here.
Morning.
Hello. We are here just to serve a letter, notice to Mr. O'Connor. You can sign receiving it. We don't need to see him.
Yeah, we don't need to see him.
Okay. Mark one copy received here. Received and date and sign and
just received. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. Okay, that was fair enough.
Yep. That was fair.
So this is what we wanted to do at the other office.
Exactly.
Quietly.
Yes, that's a good comparison.
Yeah.
So why do you think it was different? Why is this different than...
He said, oh, you guys coming to check? Remember when he first went there? He said, you guys gonna sit DLNR? That's when he went upstairs, and they told him, oh, don't bring him in.
Okay, so when you guys first got there, he was outside and he asked you guys some questions.
Right.
What did he ask you out there?
What did he ask us out there?
That we was going to see DLNR for our sign.
His first was, are you here for DLNR again?
That's when he went up.
He said.
That's when he went up.
And then he went upstairs.
Yeah, and then he came back down fast. He thought, oh, nobody's in. And then I called him up. He said, oh, can I bring a letter for my sign? He said, yeah. So I went and let him talk.
Go outside and call the office. Because I knew that they were in the office.
Why do you think they did that?
Just they don't see us, I guess.
They don't want to see you?
Yeah, they don't want to see us.
Why do you think they don't want to see you?
They don't want to give back the sign,
they don't want to give back the sign.
Where are the signs? What do you think the signs are?
What Bully said is in storage in their possession, but haven't know, we already destroyed them.
We don't know yet. Actually, the last information which was given under the oath, it was at the court at my trial when the DLNR officer said it is in the warehouse of DLNR and they are in good condition.
And that was in January?
That was in January 17th, that's correct. Okay, but I will tell you something else regarding this because the whole thing started with a police report.
Yeah.
And the police report that was issued did not contain the truth. It says it was removed by the authority of a state office and gave only an address. They didn't name the name. So the address was that of the courthouse. So I took the police report. I went to them and I asked them, which state office is in this building? He said, no, a state office. This is only the court. And okay, can I see the order to ask the police or DLNR to remove it? No, he didn't issue any kind of order.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Well, anyway, I send you a copy of that report.
Okay, awesome. Great.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
I go
Keep in
to pick.
touch.
Oh, yeah.
You have a good one.
All right, see you guys. Stay safe.
Oh, yeah,
Do you realize the cost of removing the signs by county or state workers? The 7 months of investigation, the prosecuting attorney's time and court expenses? That should come to tens of thousands of dollars. Spent for what? Just to block freedom of speech? It would have been much cheaper for the state to install a big sign in front of the state building in Lihue with the words, "Warning, freedom of speech does not apply to Hawaiians."